If you want to see how I revamped my wig into this sleek look, then keep on watching. Hey guys, so if you're anything like me, I don't really take great care of my hair, so I had to go ahead and bring my wig back to life. You see, I'm just throwing it on the bed. It's in a big ball, okay, fresh from being washed, hasn't even been combed out yet. But I mean, it looks shiny. So what I did, I used the Monet hair care. I used the soothing shampoo, the smoothing conditioner, and the super moisture mask. And I'll have it linked below on how to get it if we like it. So let's keep on watching. Now you can see it with the flash on, so you can really see the shine and the texture of the hair. And I'm going to go ahead and run my comb through it first time, thrown on the bed from the towel, and it kind of just goes through like butter, as you can see. There's no snags. It's really, look, no hair came out. It's really kind of hard to do with just one hand, but I mean, it is amazing. I am in love so far with this shampoo and conditioner, the Monet shampoo and conditioner. I'm going to continue to try it out, see how it goes, but for right now, I'm mind blown. So the hair's about 50% dry, and it's still so easy to comb through. I mean, obviously it's good hair. I told you guys where I got it from. It's from Rihanna's, wait, what is it called? Yeah, Rihanna Janae's wig bar. So, and I'll have that linked below too. But look at the ends, guys. This shampoo and conditioner and mask is like my best friend right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry the hair with my broken blow dryer. Don't clock me, okay? Okay, and then I just went ahead and flat ironed the hair so we can get that nice, sleek middle part, maybe like Kim K inspired look, I guess you want to call it. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to flat iron this hair, get it nice and as straight and sleek as possible. So I decided to go ahead and use a little sample I had of the Monet, I think it's called like split end damage something, but we're going to go ahead and use a little bit of that, just like I said, because I want this hair to be super sleek. Sleek is going to be the name of the day. I mean, excuse me, the word of the day. Sleek is the word of the day, okay? So after I put that in, you know, it's not heavy. As you can see, it's just a little cream. I went ahead and combed through it. Now let's get this bad baby on. Okay, so here I am looking amazing in my bald cap. Go ahead and once you've got that thing pushed down, you need to know how to do that. I just watched YouTube videos to figure it out. I'm going to wipe my skin off with some alcohol and put my glue in little dabs on to the skin, and then I'm going to go ahead and after I apply the glue, I'm going to smooth it out. I see a lot of ladies smooth it out with a popsicle stick. I didn't have a popsicle stick, and you know, you work with what you have. So I went ahead and smoothed it out with the edge of my eyebrow razor, the eyebrow something. I don't know what you call that thing. But I went ahead and smoothed it out with that. It's so sticky. I didn't want to use my fingers. It's like so sticky. But the key to having your wig or your frontal or your closure lay down right is to let this glue actually like dry most of the way down. You don't want it to be white anymore. You want it to be clear. So I'm going to do this and I'm going to repeat it a couple times. I'm going to blow dry it on cool, let it get clear, then put on another coat, blow dry it on cool, let it get clear again, and I'll continue to do that 3 times. Now guys, I'm no hairdresser. I learned all of this where you are right now on YouTube. And I've done it before and it came out horribly. And this time, let's see what happens. This is, I believe, the third time. We're getting somewhere now, girls. Let it get clear. Let it get sticky. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this wig on. So this wig has a couple like combs, so I'm going to go ahead and kind of push the comb in the back because I'm not gluing the back down right now. Last time I tried that, it didn't work out for me. I'm going to try it again, but I don't give up. I don't give up easily. So I'm going to go ahead and put that clip down and try my best to lay this front of this wig down, and I am going to come across a few problems, as you can see. Come on, move that hair in the front, girl. Okay, so I'm trying to be really careful in placing it. Got hair stuck down there already, not being careful enough. Alright, so now you want to place it exactly where you want it. I had already measured and cut, as you guys know. This is something that I've worn before. So now you want to get the lace pushed just perfect enough into your skin. I needed to grab something to push the lace down with, so I'm going to put my little clips in to kind of hold those baby hairs back so that they don't continue to get stuck. Because you guys know this glue is super sticky, especially since we let it sit for so long and put so many layers on. So I'm going to go ahead and get a little, I just got a little eyebrow brush. Like I said, I'm going with what I got in front of me, okay? And I'm going to push that lace in and kind of melt it into the skin. I'm going to do that all the way around because you don't want to just push like with your fingers, just push it all in there. So just kind of lightly so that it's all just blending perfectly and laying down. I seen a little piece of lace there that needed to be cut. So I'm going to cut that with the little eyebrow cutter thingy. For some reason, I can't think of the name right now. Okay, so now let's achieve this middle part. This wig has never been in a middle part before, but it is a full lace wig, so I know that we can achieve it with a little finessing. So it did take a little bit of time to get it to just lay down, you know, perfectly and straight, but I'm going to show you how I did it. Now, first of all, every time I try to do a middle part, I realize it's never quite right in the middle, but I mean, I'm going to do my best here, okay? So, once I get the part kind of where I want it, I'm going to go ahead and try to flat iron that little bump that you guys see there. Okay, it wasn't really helping with the flat iron, so I went ahead and got a little of the oil from Monet. They have a little bit of a hair oil, and you see it just has like a little oily consistency. I just put a little tiny drop, you know, barely anything. I don't want to weigh the hair down. But once I got that oil on there, I kind of smoothed it in, and then I pulled out my good old trusty favorite Denman brush. It's like the Denman brush can pretty much solve anything. So if you don't have a Denman brush, invest. They're a little bit pricey for just a brush, but I mean, they work miracles. So I just continued to brush and brush and brush. Okay, so that every little flyaway, everything, you know, was good to go and laid properly. Then I got my flat iron and I put it on the spiral setting so that the outside would get hot as well. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and heat some things up there to lay it all down. And it's looking perfect. I'm going to go ahead and go through it one more time to get it just nice and smooth. Alright, so I want to show you guys how it looks from far away as I continue to brush it. And I want to show you guys how it looks in the back too. This hair, in combination with the Monet shampoo, conditioner, mask, what was that? Split-end cream and oil. I mean, amazing. It's like flawless. And here's the end product, guys. Nice and shiny, beautiful. I have no complaints. I'm in love with this hair all over again. Let me know if you guys have any questions, comments, anything else that you guys would like to see me do or review, and I'll listen. Let me know in the comments. Give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe.